Elevate your Flutter development skills with these powerful, often overlooked widgets. From responsive layouts to stunning animations, these tools will transform how you build mobile experiences. LayoutBuilder dynamically adjusts your UI based on available screen space. It's the secret weapon for creating truly responsive applications that adapt seamlessly from phone to tablet. With multi-device support, adaptive grids, and dynamic column counts, your designs will be more flexible than ever. Unlock scrolling excellence with custom scroll view and slivers. These tools offer a flexible and efficient way to create complex scrolling effects, allowing you to design engaging and interactive user experiences that captivate your audience. Create seamless shared element transitions between screens with Hero and AnimatedSwitcher widgets. Perfect for image galleries, product details, or profile expansions, these tools ensure smooth animations with fade, scale, or slide effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your app. ValueListenableBuilder offers efficient state management with lightweight updates and better performance. By avoiding unnecessary rebuilds, especially with complex layouts, you can ensure your app runs smoothly and efficiently. Create interactive bottom sheets that expand and collapse, ideal for map, chat, or search panels. With draggable scrollable sheet, you can design engaging interfaces that offer users a dynamic and responsive experience. Apply stunning gradients and shaders to any widget with shader mask, creating eye-catching designs. Tween Animation Builder allows animations to play smoothly without complex code, perfect for opacity, size, color, and position changes, adding a magical touch to your app. Give users the power to customize their experience with built-in drag and drop reordering. Whether it's task lists, custom dashboards, or media playlists, Reorderable List View offers a user-friendly way to organize content effortlessly. Break free from rectangles with ClipPath and Custom Clipper. Create custom shapes, waves, and organic designs that make your app stand out. Perfect for headers, cards, and background elements, these tools add a unique flair to your designs. Which widget are you most excited to try? Share your favorite in the comments below and let us know how you plan to use it in your next project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Flutter tips and new tutorials. Join our growing community of developers, get access to exclusive content, and keep building amazing apps.